I don't always go camping, but when I do, I go dudes camping. Hey guys, Matt from Dudes Camping here. Today I'm going to try a recipe that I got from my camp community on Facebook. It was Campfire Eclairs. I thought it was a good idea. I wanted to try it, and it's getting dark, so I got to get this thing going. I don't know if this is going to be good, if it's going to be a mess. I'm running out of daylight, so I got to get going. So here we go. First, you take your non-stick spray. I got my hiking stick that I'm using. I wrap some foil around it, and then you spray it. All right, sprayed. And then you take a little thing of croissants. Mine just happened to open by itself when I was on the way here. Kind of unravel it. Okay, not as easy as it looks. Never seems to work the way you planned. There's probably a better way to do this, but this is my first time. So I guess you wrap it around. I got a bunch of holes in this. I can't have the holes. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? I'll make my own. Yeah. That's a man's eclair. Let's try to cover up all the holes. Holes are bad, okay. All right. Let's see if this works. I need a chair. Uh-oh. What's going on there? What? There's some separation. Doggone it. Tell you what, these recipes never look the same when you cook them as they do when somebody else cooks them. This is just not happening. Yeah. I'm beginning to think that this Campfire Eclairs is boo. I think my stick is gonna burn before this thing cooks. Dagnabbit. So, you just peel it off like that. Oh, that's magic. Still gooey. Piece of foil. Whatever. Pudding. Ready, Whip? What the heck? Does this happen to everybody? Nutella? And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Campfire Eclairs, a la Dudes Camping. Yeah, not what I expected, but it tastes good. Leave a like, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. I've been Matt, this has been Dudes Camping, and I will see you guys on the trail.